jelly slime, and I am so excited because jelly slime is really fun. So what you're going to be needing is some glue, some water, and this is what makes it jelly slime, so make sure you get the water. Some activator or contact solution, but if you use contact solution, you are also going to need a tablespoon of baking soda. This is soap, and food dye is optional. I'm using green and blue to make turquoise. A spoon, a little measuring spoon, and a bowl. So first we're going to pour our glue, and the glue will double when you add your water, and you do want to add all your water. That's enough. Okay, now we're gonna add the soap, and the pump doesn't really work. And this is what makes it stretchy, because usually jelly slime is really stretchy, but you don't want to add too much. And done. And first I'm gonna mix that up with my spoon. And you guys don't really have to use this. It's just if you want it extra stretchy. Okay guys, so I'm gonna add my water. And I'm just gonna keep adding this much, and then, and you guys, now I'm just gonna speed it up because I'm gonna add water, mix it up, add water, mix it up. Look how much the slime has doubled. Can you see? Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna add my food dye, and again, I'm using blue and green to make turquoise. So I'm gonna start off with one of each color. Probably gonna need a lot of color for this slime. Okay. I really like turquoise jelly slime. Okay. I think that's good. That's a nice turquoise. Yeah, that's good. No, wait, maybe I'll add some more. Okay, so let's start. Oh, I got some on my finger. And a blue. Wait, let's mix it in just to see. More blue. Okay. Just one really nice dark blue. Okay, that's good. Okay, so if you guys didn't notice, I put 2 drops green and 3 drops blue to make this color. So I'm gonna add my activator, and just so you guys know, you're gonna need a lot more activator because you added a lot of water. I might need to make some more. I just have a little, this slime stains on it. Okay, I'm gonna speed it up after I add my first, oops, spilled. Just gonna keep adding it up to here. It might seem like a lot of activator to add at once, but you know. Okay, so added it. And you might also need to add more glue. Okay guys, my slime is not finished activating, but it stopped sticking to the bowl mostly, so I'm just playing with it in my hand, and I'm going to show you how jiggly it is. Look, I really like it, and I can definitely feel the difference from jelly slime and just slime. Super fun to play with, but it's not done activating, so just gonna keep activating it. Ooh, there's so much bubbles in this slime. I really like this slime. This slime is also super big. I bet I could do a slime bubble with it. Wait, I want to try. I don't know if you can do a slime bubble with jelly slime. Wait, no, it's hard to do it with jelly slime, and especially this jelly slime. It's so thick. Super jelly. Super fun to play with. Spreading the activator around. Look how cool it looks when you do this. For sure, you can't let it fall on you. One thing about slime is that any slime, even not sticky activated slime, cannot go on any fabric or hair. Especially this slime can't go on hair. Okay. Can do seafood tricks, it just can't do a bubble. No. It's big enough to do a bubble, it's just too thick. Start using this now, because now we really have to be careful when we're using it, because even when you mix the activator in, okay, so just spreading it all around. Make sure that we don't want it to fall on me. No, it's fine. I love when you do this, how weird it looks. This jelly slime is amazing. Ah, it dripped! It dripped! No! I wasn't watching where it went! No! Okay guys, I cannot stop playing with this slime, so I'm just gonna say bye, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you guys should definitely make this slime. Bye!